Are there koi in the desert? Doesn't seem very likely. But yesterday afternoon, we were on our trail ride over to Fremont Peak and started having a conversation about the legend of a koi pond in the middle of the Mojave Desert. So now we have a friendly wager going on. 20 bucks. I say there's no koi pond. I say there's a concrete ditch, probably full of bullet holes. And Brandon says that there is absolutely a koi pond full of water, lush lily pads, reeds all around it, green little oasis at some mysterious spring in the middle of the desert. Alrighty, we're going to head out there and see what we find. I don't think I'm gonna have to pay up, just in case. All right, Johnny.
Once we get down to the lake.
Are we gonna find some koi?
Dead koi. To me, the pictures just look like a muddy little pond with reed around it, a little square.
All right, let's hit it.
All right.
That's about it.
I brought 20 bucks and I brought Kleenex. I'm gonna give him one of the two. Looks like I'm about to lose 20 bucks.
Still cold. I never even took it out of my car.
You're probably taking whatever this road is.
Yeah, that was rough. Here you go.
It's not an actual.
Nice and crisp.
That's paid.
It's getting mad.
I stand corrected. There is a koi pond with actual koi living in the desert. Who knew?